Hello and welcome back. This is the third tutorial of the series on 5-minute tasks and automation with coding. Today we are going to discuss isomorphic strings and to determine if two strings are isomorphic or not. Let's first discuss what is isomorphic string. What is isomorphic string? It is a string that could be replaced with the other string. It preserves the order, so only it could be replaced with any one other string and also preserving the order. For example, here A is a string that has the string value of egg, B variable has a string value of add. Now E could be replaced with A, G could be D, G could be D, but if it has been GS, it would not be replaced. So G could be replaced with D, but S could not be replaced with D because S has already been replaced with G. So these two are not isomorphic. But if we just turn S into G, now these two become isomorphic. So you can see that it must follow few conditions to be made isomorphic strings, or if two strings are to be isomorphic string. The first condition is when one string could be replaced with the other to get the other string. Yeah. So similarly, like G could be replaced with D and G could be replaced with D, so it would become egg, right? Or if we just replace E with A and G with D, it would become egg. So this string would become that, or that string would become this. So these are isomorphic strings. Now if you think algorithmically, what are the two conditions that make us write an algorithm or function to calculate this or to determine if two strings are isomorphic or not? First is their length needs to be same. That you can see, if their lengths are same, this is one of the conditions. Second condition is their repetition of element needs to be same. Okay, in this case, like G is repeating 2 times and D is repeating 2 times, so these are like isomorphic. O and O, here their lengths are same but their repetitions are different, so this is not isomorphic. The third thing is location of repetition needs to be same. Okay, so for example, if they are repeating from second and third place, same is with D. Okay, so now let's write a function that determines isomorphic element. So it will compare two strings, so we name it string 1 and string 2. If len string 1, okay, so len string 2, so if this condition passes, then we are going to check for I in range. We are going to check if their count is similar, count of each character in the string is similar or not. So if these are equal, then we are going to return true, else we are going to return false. Count string 2 dot count. Here we're going to count string 2 with the index, same index as string 1, and we're going to check if their counts are similar, so we're going to return. Pass, else we are going to return. So if these are not similar, we are going to return false, and if they are, it's same for all the characters, then we are going to return true. Okay, else we are going to return false. Okay, Let's run this function and test the different strings that we just used in cell number 22. A comma B. Okay, and it returns true that these are isomorphic element, isomorphic strings. Now we're going to test it. C comma D. These are not isomorphic, so that should return false. Yep, it is. And E and F. Here B could be replaced with T, A with I, P would be replaced with T, E with L, and R with E. So let's check it. E comma F, and that's true. So hope you understood. May you have any queries, feel free to get in touch. Thank you.